You want the truth, or you don't want me to speak the truth?
No,
you don't want the truth. The Rwandans were full of the Holy Ghost. They went through Ankole. They threw them out. They threw them out. They came to Buganda. There were kingdoms wherever they passed. Compare the kingdom of Buganda with all the other kingdoms. You don't want me to tell you the truth. You want me to speak the truth. Compare the kingdom of Buganda with all the other Ugandan kingdoms. The difference is obvious. Kabaka Mutesi invited the white people in Luganda to come and teach his people. When the whites came, they went through Bugisu kingdom, they went through the Bakedi, they all have kingdoms. They went through the Busoga kingdom, they all have kingdoms. Nobody wants me to tell you the truth. When you know the truth, it will make you free.
Why?
When the white people came,
we are going to Buganda.
They say we are going to Buganda. Buganda. There were some Ankole people. There were some Ankole of those boys. Among the martyrs. But where did they kill them? When the world comes to commemorate the martyrs' day, where do they go?
No, you people, you're not ready. There are things that are intentional.